Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get ledger confirmation in Tally Prime. First, open Tally Prime and go to the gateway of Tally. From there, select Display More Reports to access additional reporting options. Next, choose Account Books to find all your ledger-related reports and statements. This initial step sets you up to easily locate the specific ledger you need for confirmation. It's a straightforward process to begin your search. Once you are in Account Books, select Ledger to see a comprehensive list of all your created ledgers. Carefully choose the specific ledger for which you require confirmation details. After selecting your desired ledger, simply press Alt+A on your keyboard. This shortcut will directly open the ledger confirmation screen, allowing you to proceed with the next steps efficiently. It's a quick way to get to the right place. On the ledger confirmation screen, you can customize the report by adjusting the period and other relevant details to match your requirements. Once satisfied with the settings, use the print option to get a physical copy or export to save it digitally. You can choose your preferred format, like PDF, for easy sharing and record keeping. This ensures your confirmation is accurate and readily available for any purpose. Always take a moment to carefully review the generated ledger confirmation to ensure all the details are accurate. Double-check that all transactions and balances are correctly reflected, providing you with reliable financial information. This final check is crucial for maintaining precise records. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.